Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland until 10 o'clock a.m. At 8:37 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of showers and possible thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots approaching the middle tidal Potomac, moving northeast at 45 knots. This line of showers will be near Brenta Point, Wide Water, Smallwood State Park. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally, high waves and dangerous lightning can't be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.